Capybaras, the world's largest rodent, a native of South America. At more than a metre in body length and weighing as much as an adult human, the capybara takes the title of the largest rodent in the world. Highly pig-like in appearance, this behemoth of the rodent world is covered in a coat of coarse, usually brown hair. Capybara have many adaptations to a partly aquatic lifestyle, for example placement of the ears and eyes high on the crown, large amounts of fatty tissue, partial webbing of the feet, all of which allow for their strong swimming. Due to their being able to stay underwater for up to 5 minutes, capybaras are known to run swiftly over land and dive into water to escape predatory threats. Males are distinguishable from females by the murillo, a scent gland that secretes a sticky white fluid thought to be involved in dominance signalling. Capybaras also communicate through a variety of vocalizations, including growls, barks and whistles. Although their diet is primarily grasses, they include aquatic vegetation, plants, grains and fruits. Capybaras are usually active in the cooler mornings and evenings, though some have adapted to nocturnality in areas of high human persecution. Capybaras are highly social animals, living in groups of 10 to 30 individuals, usually centred around a dominant male. Group size can vary with habitat, and during dry periods, many groups can merge to a temporary group of 100 or more individuals. All adults in these capybara groups engage in territory defence and regularly mark the area using their scent glands. Copulation usually occurs in the water and gives rise to births of a single litter annually. The capybara's range extends across much of South America, inhabiting lowland areas that offer close access to water sources. Capybara habitat are required to be a mixture of water, dry ground and pasture land, and they often change habitat due to seasonal variation in these resources. The capybara is hunted for its meat and hide, as well as for grease produced by its skin, which can be used to make pharmaceuticals. The hide is often used to make high-quality leather, and the fur is often used in the production of gloves. Capybaras are sometimes killed by farmers who view them as a pest, or because they view it, incorrectly, as a competitor with domestic livestock. Despite these threats, the species is still widely distributed with a large global population, and the increasing conversion of forest to grassland, in addition to the management regimes employed on cattle ranches, for example predator control and provision of water, may even be creating more suitable capybara habitats. The capybara occurs in protected areas throughout its range, and efforts have been made to control hunting. Despite this, the capybara is still killed and the meat is commonly found in rural markets. However, with its fast growth rate, large size, social lifestyle, cheap diet and high reproductive output, alongside a proper management programme, could be of great potential for a sustainable harvest programme. The species is currently hunted commercially in licensed ranches, which has apparently stabilised local capybara populations.